Hello YouTube and welcome back to Allie's Wonderland Creations. I am Alice Seraphin and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the Pacific Northwest in my little hick town of Belfair, Washington. So welcome to my channel. This is February 2025's Paper Pumpkin Alternative video number 23, guys. Yes, and I have cards. I have like several things, as you can see on I have 4 cards prepped and ready to go. But we are not going to get to them all today. I'm probably going to get 2 more videos in and that's it for today. So let's take a look at the kit. The kit is called Hello Spring. You could have made 3 of this card, 3 of this one, and 3 of this one. You would have gotten these wonderful envelopes to cut open and use. This QR code would lead you to a video to show you how to put this kit together as it was designed. Down here at the bottom is a list of the coordinating colors. As always, the visual of everything in the kit down here. This one would lead you to the Stampin'Up's add-on dies called Spring is in the Air. These 2 are the chives that go with this kit. These 2 go with March's kit. These are the stamps. So hello spring, happy Easter, thanks for helping me grow. The background, the chives. You can cut that little chives right off there. To a wonderful friend, sending love and for you. We're going to set that aside. And this is the third or second giveaway. There's 3 of them I'm giving away. So this is the second giveaway and the items are already in an envelope right here. Let me put this on here. Drawing is on, there's only a few days on 3/11. Now I need your address. All you have to do is comment. So if you don't have my email address, you can email me your physical address right there. I will notify the winner of these little ephemera pieces in the comment section on 3/11. So let me show you the ephemera pieces. Okay. So this time you are getting the glittery one. We're using one identical to this. Now I didn't have an extra butterfly. So I found a butterfly I love these butterflies, that is similar in it. So this is the butterfly you will be receiving. You will see the one that I'm going to stick that up there where my other drawing is for. So you're going to see all of my goodies here in a minute. So we have a pre-made card base. What is in there? Nothing? Okay. Just for a minute there, it looks like there's a shadow of something in there. So this is what we're going to be using. Oh, the antique pearls. That's what we're going to be using on this card. I already have this designed. This is my butterfly. Unfortunately, there is only one of this butterfly. I don't know why there's only one, but there is, and I'm going to use it because this has a little bit of glitter on this one. This one has absolutely none. So I made the choice. I got one with glitter, and you got the other. You got the larger piece. So this is 4 by 5 1/4, and I made a boo-boo. This is 4 by 5 1/4. Yes, so we have a card base 5.5 by 8.5 scored at 4 1/4. Layer number 1 is 4 by 5 1/4. Lost Lagoon card base, half of a card base from the kit. So we have layer number 3. Oh, layer number 2. Layer number 1. Layer number 2 is 2 1/4 by 3 3/4. I used a ticket corner punch to punch the corners. And then we have the beautiful ephemera piece that says Seeds of Happiness. All right. And then we have a butterfly. I'm using some antique pearls. Now for the inside, we're going to have To a Wonderful Friend, which is from this Paper Pumpkins stamp set, and we're going to be using Thank You from the December 2024's Paper Pumpkin. So let me show you. So this one right here, this thank you right there, those stay on my desk. And then Sending Love is going to go on the envelope, and that's also from this Paper Pumpkin kit. This is going to take no time at all, everybody, no time to put this one together. Sometimes they just work out this way. So this gets glued down Please let me know if you like, I don't know why, but I got the little tickle in the throat, or it's my acid reflux acting up. So, are these simpler cards more to your liking? I mean, I like to do a variety of cards. Sometimes I like doing real simple layouts like this. And it just is like whatever I can come up with. And I just sit here and I put things together, and whatever, you know, comes out of me sitting here doing things is how it works. And that's it. So these two, I'm just going to glue this straight down because the dimension is going to be coming in on the butterfly. I mean, you can put this on dimensionals if you want. I don't think it's necessary. But you could have. It just layers up beautifully on there. And I think we're going to do this one on a bit of an angle as well. Why? Because we can. Look at that. I mean, it just fits in there. And then some of those antique pearls are going to be just beautiful on here. You could do it straight. You could do it. Ooh, I think we're going to do it like that. Off-centered a little bit. Really, really quick. I think I will get one more. So off center like so. And then this is going to go right here. This is how quick this one's going to be. Our little butterfly, we're going to put that right here so you still see that little corner. I don't need this anymore. No sentiment for the top, but we are going to, now we could do 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, which I kind of like that. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And then 1, 2, 3. All right, so I'm deciding. Do we do 2 big ones? I really, why it's always this way with me. Or do I do the 1, 2, 3? It's such a big area. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. I think we're going to be using all of these. So let's do this. One right here. Two. Yes, I'm spacing them out. And then 2. See, I'm starting to think maybe I should I do 3? 1, 2, 3. But no, I want 2. So 1 here. That's it. So that is the front of the card. We can wink a Stella. This beautiful, beautiful rose. Make it sparkle and shine, right? That's just how simple it is. Nothing for the butterfly. It has enough sparkle on there. So next we're going to stamp. Need the stamp and pierce mat, which is getting lots of use. My sheet is just about ready to go in the recycle bin. And this one, I mean, I could do it in the Lost Lagoon, but I really thought about just doing it. I pulled out just the black, and I don't know why, but that's what I pulled, so we're gonna go with it. see, it even has its little coaster right here. So, to a wonderful friend. And then thank you. Yep, that's what I wanted. And then let's go on here. We're going to do sending love on the back. And then just a note as well. And this one is from the December paper pumpkin. Justin sending love, of course, is from this kit. That's it, guys. That's how quick and simple this one is. So just a note, sending love. You could make this a birthday. There is a birthday on here. I always stamp just, it's always just a little tilted down. It always is. To a wonderful friend. So I hope that you guys like this one. Of course, if you do and you would like to receive this, you have a great chance because you have 3 days to make a comment from the date it airs. And then I'm just going to, I assign first one is number 1, and I just do that, and I have a multi dice, and I'm going to let Hank roll the dice and pick the number, or you can pick a number 1 through whatever, and that's going to be the winner. So thanks for watching, everybody, and I hope you come back and visit me in my wonderland. Bye bye for now, everyone.